Welcome back, Beamer fans. Long time no see, I guess you could say, or listen, whatever you want to call it. Welcome back to Beamer Review, and I just want to apologize because I haven't been posting for the last 15 days. I have been traveling for the last couple weeks, and I'm finally back, so we're finally going to put out some more videos. Here we go. So today we got the beautiful M340, and this video is going to be specifically about the M Performance exhaust that you can get with this vehicle. Now, I did do another video in the past before, but I did a really good job of making a M Performance exhaust video and not talking about the M Performance exhaust, Performance exhaust. So, lesson learned, and this video is going to be specifically just on this. And we're going to get right into it, but before we do, make sure you guys check out our brand new website, just launched yesterday, www.beamerreview.com. You can find some cool car accessories, so definitely check that out. And before further ado, here we go. And be sure to watch the whole thing. I'm going to give my final thoughts at the end of the video, so definitely watch the whole thing. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoyed that. So basically, the M340 is a beast, or it sounds like a beast, especially with this exhaust. And this video is going to go really in depth with it too. So a lot of the comments that I posted on the last one, I'll actually demonstrate what I meant in those comments in this actual video too. Things such as how to identify if a vehicle has M Performance exhaust. There's a way you can actually tell if you look right at the bottom of the trunk, going into the under compartment. You can actually see M Performance exhaust embossed on the bottom. That's one telltale sign that you can tell that a M340 has the M Performance exhaust. A great way to know. Also, so given my thoughts on the M340 with the M Performance exhaust, it is definitely a must-have. Now, I really am a big fan of the M Performance exhaust. I personally think with a M340 with the M Performance exhaust combined together, it sounds better than the M3 and the M4. Yes, I said it. I honestly think that from the bottom of my heart. I've driven both cars. I've actually test driven around a whole track with the M340 that has the M Performance exhaust, and around the whole range it sounds phenomenal, especially on a Sport Plus. Now, a big question, or a big opinion that you guys might want, is the differences between the comfort mode and the Sport Plus. Now, in comfort mode, it does sound really civilized. It's something that you can definitely live with. If you are doing the cold start in the mornings, it is something that might sound a little loud, but nothing too crazy, I would say. Now, Sport Plus is definitely a lot more noticeable with the sound, and that's definitely one thing to note. And before I keep on rambling on, if you guys look at the video right now, you'll see M Performance embossed right below the muffler down there too. So that's one great way to tell if a car, if a M340 or M440 comes with exhaust. This is gonna be the only way that you can tell. You can also look at the sticker. That's also gonna give it away. If you look at the sticker, the M Performance exhaust, I keep on stuttering that, so I do apologize. The M Performance exhaust does run for about nearly $2,000, if not more. A lot of people were asking about the part number that comes with the M Performance exhaust as well, and I'm actually gonna list the part number that's associated with it at the comment box down below. So if you guys needed to know what that was, just check right down below. I'll let you know what the part number is in order to get this. A lot of people were questioning about how they would order this. Now, the best way to do it is you can factory order it. You would just let your client advisor know that you want this M Performance exhaust. And if you try to do it on the BMW build site, you're not going to see it on there. A dealer has to do it from the back end through their own system that they have specifically for that dealer. That's it. That's one way you can do it. The other way too is if you go to the parts store of any BMW dealership, you would just give them your VIN number and then they would order it for you through the parts store as well. So those are two ways you can get it. Also, if your vehicle didn't initially come with it, this is something that you can get aftermarket. So if you already have an M340, you're completely fine. You can still go to your parts store and order it through there. But if you are building a M340, again, you would have to talk to your dealer and have them do it through their back-end system. But yeah, going back to the sound that this exhaust makes, it's really noticeable. A lot of people turn their heads as soon as I happen to drive by through the neighborhoods, and even when whenever I get back to the dealership too, we would have customers who are just roaming the lot, and they would hear this exhaust just coming right down by, and you can't help but stare. You can't help but turn your head and see what vehicle it is. And it's surprising to see whenever you see an M340 too kind of roll by with this exhaust, because you wouldn't think that it would be able to sound this loud, but it sounds great. And another great thing I love about Sport Plus too is that it actually has a lot more burbles and pops. The MPE exhaust is definitely a must-have. I would totally get it if I were you. And if you guys are test driving the M340, definitely try to ask the dealer to see if you can test drive one that has the MPE exhaust. I'm gonna start saying MPE because I just can't say M Performance exhaust without stuttering. So yeah, MPE exhaust, definitely when you guys go for a test drive, check with your dealer to see if they have a MPE exhaust, because you definitely want to hear the differences between the two. I might do a comparison video down the road if you guys want to listen to a stock M340 compared to one that has the MPE exhaust. Definitely subscribe to this channel. I'll try to do a comparison video next. If I get enough likes on this video and enough comments down below letting me know that you guys want to see a comparison video of the two, definitely let me know. And we're gonna come out with a lot more videos. I did take a 2-week break, so I do apologize once more, but we're gonna get back into it. And if you guys don't know, our next video is gonna be a M760i. It's gonna be a 7 Series that is going to cost a whole lot of money. It is a whole lot of money. If I had to tell you guys what it was, it would be somewhere pretty close to $170,000, and that's going to be the next video that we're going to do. So subscribe to the channel. Again, don't forget to check out www.bmreview.com. And I hope you guys have a great day, and subscribe and like the video. Thank you.